Okay, for today, this is the part 2 of our application of stack, prefix, infix, and postfix expressions or notations. To continue, so like we have last time, we normally have an infix notations or expressions. Okay, but for now, I'll be doing an evaluation using postfix expression. Okay, so in the sample expressions, so we have number 1. So single digit 82 plus 3 times 16, double digit 4. Then we have division symbol and the minus. Okay, so here we'll be evaluating this. Then after that, proceed to number 2. Okay, so but before this, so let's have number 1. Okay, so in the last part, part 1, so we normally solve or evaluate our expression by using rules of precedence. Okay, but as you can see, when we apply the rules of precedence on these notations or expressions, you will notice that there is a problem with it. Okay, so as we solve it using the rules of precedence, so first, using multiplication, okay, left to right, then evaluate 3 times 16, so you have 48. Then next is, based on the rules of precedence, so we have the division symbol. So in the division symbol, so which means we have to evaluate it, 48 divided by 4. Okay, but the final answer on this could be or would be negative 2. Okay, so as you can see, this is wrong. So, why? We'll be doing this by checking the correct answer by implementing a checking. Okay, on the checking part, we'll be using infix. Okay, so here is the correct way of doing it. Okay, so first, we'll be doing this from left to right. If the given expression is postfixed, okay, left to right. So first, I'll be solving 82 plus, which means the operator plus is at the leftmost. Okay, we'll be solving it first. 8 plus 2, so we have 10. Then the next operator would be the asterisk from the left, the highest order operator is on the left, the asterisk. So what we're doing is we have to multiply 10 times 3. Okay. Next, so we have to check. So what is the next operator? The highest operator. Okay. Based on this given number and operator, so we have the division. Okay. On the division, so we have 16 and 4. So we'll be dividing 16 by 4. Okay, so the answer is 4. So next operator is negative. So all you have to do is, or minus operator, sorry. So all you have to do is subtract 30 minus 4. Okay, so the answer is 26. Okay, checking. So using infix. So by using infix, we have to convert this postfixed expression into infix expression so that we will or we can evaluate it. Okay, so the infix equivalent of the postfix expression above would be this one. So 8 plus 2 times 3 minus 16 divided by 4. So if we try to evaluate it, so we have first on the parentheses 8 plus 2. The next is the multiplication symbol, which is 10 times 3. Okay. The next is, based on rules of precedence, we have the division symbol. So, which means we have to divide 16 divided by 4. So the final answer of the 2 is 30. Then on the right side, we have 4. So all you have to do is subtract 30 to 4. So we have 26. So as you can see, we have the same answer on the postfix expression, and we have the same also in the infix expression. Okay, so in that way we could tell that the answer in our postfix and infix expressions are correct because it matches the final answer. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. Okay, so from left to right again, so you have to check what is the operator from left to right. So the first operator here is we have the division symbol. Okay, so we have to divide it 5 and 1. Okay, so the answer is 5. So next operator is the division symbol again. So all you have to do is divide 25 by 5. So we have 5. Okay, so next operator is multiplication. So all you have to do is multiply 12 and 5. Okay, so we have only to get two operands, not 3 or not 4. Okay, and only two operands. Okay, but this time, so as you can see, we have the plus symbol, okay, or the operator plus. So all you have to do is to get the next, no, or the operands at its left. Okay, the two operands at its left is 8 and 7. So we have to add 8 and 7. So we have 15. Okay, so the last operator that we have is minus. So all you have to do is subtract 60 and 15. So the final answer is 45. So that's it. Okay, so that's very easy on how to solve the uh, postfix expressions. Okay, so as you can see here, this is much easier compared to infix. Okay, because in infix, we are using the rules of precedence. But in this example, or in this case, using the postfix, we will be evaluating the expression from left to right. Okay, left to right. So whatever comes first. Okay, so to check, so we have still checking. So here in checking portion, so you can check the innermost first, no, the innermost parenthesis, followed by the outermost parenthesis. Then, and on the right side, so as you can see, because the last operator that we'll be evaluating is the minus, which means there is a left operand or okay, or expression, and also in the right operand or expression. Okay, so evaluating the leftmost inner part of the expression. Okay, so the leftmost is this one. So 5 divided by 1. Okay, so rules of precedence because we are using infix. So as you can see, the answer is 5. Then next is 25 divided by 5. The next outermost parentheses. Okay, 12 or 25 divided by 5 is we have 5. So next we have the last part, no, of the outermost parentheses. So we have 12 times 5. So that is okay, 60. And on the right hand we have 8 plus 5. So we have 15. So all to do now is to subtract, okay, the left operand, the right operand of 60 and 15. Okay, so we have 45. Okay, then before proceeding to solution problem number 3 and 4. Okay, so for now we have another example, number 3 and 4. Okay, so let's try to solve number 3. So the expression is 70, 14, 4, 5, 15, 3 divided by asterisk minus minus divided by 6 plus. Okay, that would be the number 3 expression. Okay, how to solve this? From left to right again. Okay, because this is a postfixed expression. So we'll be solving it from left to right. Okay, so first we have the division symbol. So 15 divided by 3, so that would be 5. Okay, next from left to right, so that would be asterisk or the multiplication symbol. 5 times 5, so that would be 25. Okay, so next from left to right, you have the minus symbol. So all you have to do is subtract 4 minus 25. Okay, so the answer is negative 21. So next, from left to right, you check what is the next operator. So we have the minus symbol. So all you have to do is subtract 14 minus negative 21. So that would be 35 because negative and minus and negative would be positive. Okay, so that would be 35. So next is from left to right, you have the division symbol, okay? 70 divided by 35, so that would be 6, okay? And the last operator is plus, okay? So next is you have to add 2 plus 6. So the final answer is 8, okay? So that's very easy, right? Okay? So for checking, so we have here the infixed equivalent of the postfix expression above. Okay, so all we have to do is to get the outermost or the innermost part of the expression on the parenthesis side. Okay, so that would be 15 divided by 3. So that is 5. Okay, next innermost parenthesis would be 5 times 5. So that would be 25. Okay, and the next is 4 minus 25. That would be negative 21. Okay, so here, as you can see, you have 14 minus negative 21. So that would be, um, you have to add, okay? So you have to add 14 and 21. So that would be 35. So next is division symbol, okay? So you have to divide 70 and 35. So that would be 2. And the last operator that we have is the plus symbol. So all you have to do is add 2 plus 6. So the result is 8. So as you can see, previously on the postfix expression of this, the final answer is also 8. So that means our evaluation is correct. Okay, let's proceed to number 4. So number 4, we have from left to right is asterisk. Okay, so we have to pair that on the operands at the left. Okay, so the 5 and 6. All you have to do is multiply 5 and 6. So you have 30. Okay, next operator is plus. So all you have to do is add 3 and 30. So that would be 33. Okay, next is we have negative or minus rather. So minus operator. So all you have to do is subtract 33 and 13. So that would be 20. Okay, so check from left to right. What is the next operator? So we have division symbol. So all you have to do is divide 18 and 2. So you get 9. Okay, next last operator is 29. Last operator is plus. So which means you add 20 and 9. So you get 29. Okay, so you have to check this one in using infix if we have the same answer. Okay, using infix, so we have to convert this postfix to infix. This is the equivalent infix notation. So all we have to do is based on the rules of precedence. So from left to right, so we have multiplication, then followed by the division. So that is the most highest now order of operators in the rules of precedence. So we have to multiply the 5 times 6. So you have 30. Then you have to divide the 18 and 2. So you get 9. Okay? Then evaluate again from left to right. What is the next operator in highest order? So we have here the plus, the minus, and the plus. The same order of precedence. Okay? The same level order. So which means we'll be doing this from left to right. Okay? So 3 plus 30 is 33. Then 33 minus 13 is we have 20. Okay, and the last operator is plus. Okay, so 20 plus 9 is 29. Okay, as you can see last time, so the result of our postfix expression is also 29. So which means that is correct. Okay, okay, so this is the final answer for our number 4 question. Okay, so thank you so much and have a good day. Thank you.